Hey, welcome to our channel RisingYeast. Today we'll make super delicious banana buns recipe with wholemeal flour. Let's make it. First we'll peel 2 medium bananas and put them in a bowl and slowly mash them. Bananas will give us sweetness and replace butter or oil in bread. Now add half teaspoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder instead of yeast. This is optional. I added 1 tablespoon of honey. And 100 milliliters of Greek yogurt, which will give the bread softness and moisture. Now mix everything together. And add 70 grams of muesli to add fiber, and 200 grams of wholemeal spelt flour. This is also an excellent source of fiber, and 60 milliliters of water. If the dough is too thick, add a little more water, but not too much. The dough should be like this. Turn on the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Scoop up the mass with a spoon and make such piles. Place the baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake for 25 minutes. If you like it a little more browned, extend it by another 5 minutes, but not more. Here they are, nicely baked, sweet, soft, and ready for your breakfast. Subscribe if you want more recipes like this. Till next time!